No one is staying here, living here. So see, it's very huge. Look at that. Should be deep, so the whole coconut can fit like this. Oh, let's try and see. Okay, good. It's back there. Unmaintained area. This is our grandparents' property. Are going to get some bamboo. Like there's a hard shell. Yan. Oh. Hi guys, hello, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm here at the lot of our grandparents. We are going to plant coconut because there's a lot of coconut ready to plant like this. Oh, so it's already ready to plant. So we have a lot of this, so we need to plant it. Actually, we already plant like 5 already, so now only 2 that I'm going to plant. Come on, let's go and walk. After 5 years, 10 years, they are already bearing fruit. So we have a lot of coconut. After 5 years or 10 minus we can plant because they're all there's already coconut is still there. So we're not going to plant. No. Go and walk. Few more years, it will go into to fruit. This big taro. Look at this. Look at that. This huge taro. See? Wow. Look at the leaves. It's very huge. Look at that. So, where are we going to plant, Mother? Come on guys. This is my province life here in the province. I think we're going to plant here.
Hindi lang laro. Tapos duman man oh. Kaidan. Kaidan sinda.
Here. Let's plant here. Dapat medyo malapit sa kudal.
Nagada na kasi dyan oh. Na matay na yung dating tanim. Kaya pwedeng dyan, katabi ng isang puno. Hilera sila. Punta doon sa isang puno. Diyan, saka dyan.
Okay. Let's start digging. We need to dig. For the future, we are going to harvest. Should be deep, so the whole coconut can fit. Let's try. Let's try and see. Okay, good.
It's back there. Sorry.
Yay! Yay! Grow some, give us many fruits. Coconut. Okay. For the last coconut. For the last coconut. Okay. Okay, for today's video, last coconut. But we still have a lot of coconut in our house. Need to plant also. For today, this is our last coconut. Okay. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. We plant coconut trees, so let's wait after 10 years. Okay, for today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you on our next video. Bye bye guys. So now guys, I'm done planting. I'm just walking around here. Look at that. I'm inside of this, you know, this grass, bushy, unmaintained area. This is our grandparents' property lot. It's huge, but no one is taking care of as of now because no one is staying here, living here. So we just came sometimes here just to get some product like coconut, you know, and some fruits like jackfruit, but now there's no jackfruit. Fruit trees, but no more fruit. So yeah, look at the area of, and sometimes we came here also. Look at the coconut. Oh, so yeah, we came here also, by the way, because of if we are going to get some bamboo like that, or bamboo trees, but now look at the bamboo. So yeah, that's better to plant, so for the future we can harvest. Yeah. And Yeah, the air here is really fresh. And then outside this I know masukal means unmaintained. So outside this masukal area, unmaintained area, there's a rice farm. So I'm going to show you guys the rice farm. Coconut tree. See, some of the fruits, the brown one, they are ready to pick. So yeah, these are this this is the farm, rice farm. See around rice farm. That's my sister. Oh, inside here, that's my grandparents' property. All the area that is full of trees. So yeah, let's go inside again. I like the Philip tree, Philip root. Ma, yan o. Yan o, pili. Yan o. That's the pili fruit. Yeah. There's a hard shell inside. When it's big, it's like this. Really tall tree. Fruits are just falling. This one also. Ito pa ma oh. This also oh. Yan oh. Mga hulog lang. May mga hulog.
Kaya dakuling kampo.
That's why there's a lot of new pili trees around of the big trees. For today's video, it's a simple life here in the province of the Philippines. Yeah, look at this guys. Wow, big coconut. Going home now. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. And please put your thoughts on the comment section. We really love to know it, and we are welcome for the comments and suggestions. So, yeah, it's yummy. But the other tree is green. Look. So we have two variety of big tree, the green and the red. So look at that guys. Oh, which one is the edible one? Please comment guys.